every year we have Invasion Day here, and hundreds of thousands of white Australians march alongside Indigenous Australians to actually recognise that this country was never, the sovereignty of this country was never ceded, and we stand in solidarity with them. Now, that's what Muslims need to do with Hindus. When it comes to issues where they have been the perpetrators, Muslims need to stand in solidarity with Hindus and apologise for what they've done and stop pretending that it didn't happen. Because if it doesn't, if there's no recognition of a problem, no change is ever going to come. So that's what young Muslims need to do now. They need to recognise that, like young Australians did. The older people may never change. The older community may never change because they're stuck in their ways. But the young community, they know what's right. They know what's right. They know what the right side of history is. So it's up to the youth, the Muslim youth of India, to stand with their Hindu brothers and sisters.